with high honors. Elcarte Janalyn M. with honors. Fuentevilla Samantha Rose T. with honors and conduct awardee. Gabingan Kylie A. with high honors and the recipient of the following awards: Leadership Awardee, Best in Visual Arts, Best in Video Arts, and Awards in Research Awardee. Garzon Cardicel Minyang S. with high honors. Grapa Erika Love G. with honors and conduct